I will demonstrate Chapter 10, Instant Drill 16. So after you study the question, so you can find that the question asking us is find the shortest distance between the ship and the lighthouse. So how can I find the shortest distance? Because L is a fixed point and the ship is going on through this line. Okay, so what is the shortest distance? It means that shortest distance is equal to the perpendicular distance. Okay, try to remember is, so it should be, you need to draw a perpendicular line from L to the line here. So I write down K. And remember, don't write down someone asked me, is it this one is perpendicular distance or shortest distance? Because this is a right angle, but this is wrong. Okay, because this line, red line, is longer than LK, so it's not a shortest distance. So what we need to know is part A is find as LK. Okay, so with the notation of the figures, okay, you can write down as angle LAK first. So you need to find this angle first. So the part 1 is equal to 90 degrees minus 50 degrees, which is equal to 40 degrees. And then second part in triangle AKL. So we need to find LK, so I can use sine theta. So sine 40 degrees, which is equal to LK over LA. So LK is equal to LA times sine 40 degrees, so which is equal to 100 times sine 40 degrees. So after calculation, LK is equal to 64 point something, and according to the question, you need to show its nearest kilometers, so which is equal to 64 nearest km. So we finished the first instant drill question. And second one is according to the graph here. First of all, what I write down is after study the graph, and now find the distance between A and C. So that means part A, the equation is find AC, and I write it down the degree here. C is 28 degree here. So what you need to do is try to express this as a right angle first. So angle ABC is equal to 180 degrees minus angle ABD and minus angle CBE, which is adjacent angles on straight line. Therefore, ABC is equal to this one, and then it's equal to 90 degrees. So as we know, this ABC is 90 degrees, therefore triangle ABC is right angle triangle. Then we can use Pythagoras theorem, because AB is 20 kilometers and BC is 15 meters. That is easy to get AC by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so in a triangle ABC, you can write down AB squared plus BC squared equal to AC squared. And you need to write down the reason is Pythagoras theorem. And then you substitute the number in it. And you can get the result of AC is equal to 25 kilometers. Okay, don't forget to write down the conclusion. So the distance between AC is 25 kilometers. Okay, for the second part, find the bearing of A from C. Okay, as bearing, if the question is asking us the bearing, you can answer either a compressed bearing or a true bearing. Okay, so for part B, so asking is compressed bearing or a true bearing. Either one is okay. So what angle I try to express in compressed bearing of A from C. So the question is from C, that means you need to write the cross in C, And what you need to find is the angle here, the theta. So what you need to do is the first part, I need to find out the large angle first. This one, the first one, I can do it by sine, cosine, or tangent. And second angles here by alternating angles. Okay, so for the first one, for the first part, in triangle ABC, so tangent. So I will use tangent because the opposite side is 20 and the hypotenuse adjacent side is 15. So tangent ACB is equal to 20 over 15. And you will get angle ACB is equal to 53.13 degrees. And for the second part, is angle FCB is equal to angle EBC. And the reason is alternate angles. FC parallel to BE. And then angle FCB is equal to 28 degrees. So once you get this, the first one is 53 and the second one is 28. So the theta is easy, it's 53 minus 28. So for the presentation is like this. So angle ACF is equal to 53.13 degrees minus 28. Therefore it's this one. And don't forget to write down the format of compressed bearing. So the bearing of A from C is, because A is on the north and west part of C, so write down is north, west, and the angle is need to correct to integer, so it's 25 degrees.